So here's how to change nickname on Facebook. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to log into your Facebook account. Here you have to click on the settings icon at the top. Once you click on this option, now it will open this menu. From here you have to select the meta menu. Once you click on the meta menu, now it will open this interface. Here you have to click on the profiles. After that, from here you have to select the profile, and once you select the profile, now it will open this menu. From here you have to click on the name option at the top. Now here you have to click on the manage other names option at the bottom, and once you click on it, now it will open this interface. And here you have to enter your nickname, and once you have entered your nickname, you have to select to show at the top of your profile option and then click on the save. After that, your nickname has been added. Now I'm gonna go back to my profile just to show you how it looks. Here, as you can see, that nickname has been added to the top of my profile. So that's how to change nickname on Facebook.